In this video, we will see how can we use splitter. So to add splitter, I'll go to add automation app here. Now the basic use of splitter is that whenever I want that same messages are not set every time my bot is triggered, I will use this. So basically when I want that my bot looks like a smart bot, or it seems that there is some human intervention and the person using it does not get same message every time. So for that we will use the splitter. So I'll go to splitter. Now here I can add routes. So for example, I add 3 routes here. Now this is the probability that the bot will go in that direction. So for example, I'm setting it 50% here. I can change this as per my convenience. I'm setting it 50% here, and I'm setting it 20% here. So the third route will be automatically this. I will save the splitter. Now I can add a new block to each one of them. So to test this, let's take a text message. Route 1 is hi 1. Route 2 will be hi 2. And if the bot goes from route 3, the text message will be hi 3. So here, for example, I send a message using the keyword here. Then the bot can choose any of the routes given here, and the probability of bot choosing a specific route will be this percentage that we define here. So let's run this bot a few times and then check. Here you can note that when same keyword is used, the bot has replied with 3 different kinds of answers, and the maximum one is hi 1 here because the probability for route 1 was set as 53%, and that was the majority.